In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a check in QuickBooks Online. This is a very simple task, but it's an important one because recording checks properly helps keep your books accurate and makes it easier to track payments inside your company records. If you're paying a vendor, documenting an expense, or just making sure your transactions are entered correctly, QuickBooks Online gives you a quick way to do it. To get started, go to the top left area of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the Create button. This is where you can begin entering many different types of transactions, so if you're ever unsure where to start, this menu is often the right place to check. After you click Create, select Check. This opens the check entry screen where you'll be able to record all the necessary information for the transaction. Take a moment here to make sure you're entering the check in the correct form, since QuickBooks has different options for invoices, expenses, bills, and checks. Choosing check ensures the payment is recorded in the right way. Now enter the details of the check. This includes the information needed to reflect the payment accurately in your books. As you fill everything in, be sure to review the details carefully so the amount, date, and payment information are all correct. Accuracy here is important because even a small mistake can affect your records, reports, and account balances later on. If you're entering multiple transactions, it can also help to pause for a second before saving, just to double-check that everything matches the actual check or payment record you're working from. That quick review can save time and prevent corrections later. Once all the check details have been entered, click Save. This records the check in QuickBooks Online and updates your books accordingly. After saving, the transaction is stored in your records, and that's really all there is to it. As you can see, recording a check in QuickBooks Online is a fast and straightforward process. You click Create, choose Check, enter the check details, and save. With just those few actions, you can keep your bookkeeping organized and up to date. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.